Good morning. My name is Eric Vandewall and I'm the President and CEO of Joseph Brant Hospital. So now over to some of the exciting developments of the hospital. The first is really around surgical services reintroduction, and so we're in now the next phase of introducing surgeries and scheduled procedures at the hospital. We're treating cases on an urgent and priority basis, so urgent cases continue to be done, and we're prioritizing those cases that were deferred as a result of the pandemic. I'd like to thank you for your patience. I know that in many cases it's been difficult waiting and wondering when your case will be done. Rest assured, we have you on the list and we're working through the list as quickly as we can. I'd also like to speak to easing visitor restrictions. So this week, today, we start with easing visitor restrictions in Joseph Brant Hospital. So that includes more points of access into the hospital, being able to access the hospital through the pedestrian bridge, as well as the north entrance. Active screening will still continue, so we would ask that you be patient as you're screened by our screeners. You'll also be required to follow precautions as required by staff, and that may require having to wear a mask, or you can bring your own mask if you so choose. Our community has been truly supportive, and it's been really overwhelming over the course of this past 100 days. And for that, on behalf of physicians, staff, and the leadership at Joseph Brant Hospital, I'd like to thank our community very sincerely. And I'd also like to take a moment to acknowledge and thank Mayor Meed Ward. Marianne has truly been a great leader throughout this pandemic, and the relationship with the city and the hospital has become stronger than ever, and I'd like to thank the mayor personally for her leadership and support.
Hello Burlington, I'm Mayor Marianne Meed Ward with a special message of thanks. Thank you to each and every one of you who have followed the health advice and directives to keep yourself healthy and safe, and to keep your family and your friends, and by extension our whole community, healthy and safe through COVID-19. One of the silver linings has been the much closer bond of friendship between Joseph Brant Hospital and our community. It is our community hospital, and our healthcare workers, who we celebrate every Friday night with our porch clap for all the frontline and healthcare workers in the hospital who put themselves at risk, who leave their families to be there for us. We need to continue to support each other and to support our hospital and to support our healthcare workers, and I know that you will join me in doing that. And once again, Burlington, thank you.